Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
I enter the kitchen. I enter the kitchen. I open the refrigerator. I open the refrigerator. I pour the milk. I pour the milk. I pour the milk. I eat cereal.
Wow, eat cereal.
I eat cereal. I wash the fruits. I wash the fruits. I peel the banana. I cut the bread. I cut the bread. I crack the eggs. I crack the eggs. I crack the eggs. I stir the eggs. I stir the eggs. I watch the pan. I watch the pan. I fill the pot with water. I fill the pot with water. I fill the pot with water. I add the salt. I add the salt. I boil the pasta. I wash the vegetables. I wash the vegetables. I mix the salad. I mix the salad. I mix the salad. I set the table. I set the table. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. I drink water.
Wow. Yeah.
I drink water. The sound of water splashing in a glass. I wash the dishes. Hi. I wash the dishes. I dry the plates. I dry the plates. I wipe the counter. Water? I wipe the counter. I clear the table. I clear the table. I throw away the trash. I throw away the trash. I put food in the refrigerator. I put food in the refrigerator. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I help make cookies. I help make cookies. I mix the dough. I mix the dough. The cookies are baking. The cookies are baking. I put cookies on the plate. I put cookies on the plate. I eat a cookie. I eat a cookie. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. Thank you for cooking. Thank you for cooking. I arrange the fruits. I arrange the fruits. I make tea. Yeah. I make tea. I make tea. I clean the sink. I clean the sink. I put away the dishes. I put away the dishes. I make orange juice. I make orange juice. I chop the vegetables. I chop the vegetables. We bake a cake. We bake a cake. I set the dinner table. I load the dishwasher. I load the dishwasher. I wipe the cabinets. I wipe the cabinets. I prepare a sandwich. I prepare a sandwich. I load the dishwasher. I load the dishwasher. I set the dinner table. I wipe the cabinets. I wipe the cabinets. I prepare a sandwich. I prepare a sandwich. I clean the microwave. Ah, that's so helpful. I clean the microwave. I fold the napkins. I fold the napkins. I fold the napkins. I love helping in the kitchen. Yeah. I love helping in the kitchen. Goodbye, kitchen. Ha. I love helping in the kitchen. Yeah. I love helping in the kitchen.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.